Baharroth, the Cry of the Wind, in the Eldari lexicon, is the oldest of the Swooping Hawks, the first Craftworld Eldari exarch to master aerial combat. He is the Phoenix Lord and founder of the Ashurni warrior path that is represented by the Swooping Hawk's aspect shrine. Baharroth is believed to have been the finest pupil of Ashurman, the first Ashurni exarch. He is the Winged Phoenix, the oldest of the Swooping Hawks and the first of the Winged Exarchs. He was the most vibrant and youthful of the Phoenix Lords, reveling in the sensation of the sun on his wings. Baharroth and Morgan Ra are brothers as the sun is to the moon, and many of the Eldari deadliest foes have met their doom on the edge of their blades. He learned the arts of war under Ashurman himself at the first and greatest shrine of Ashur, when the fall was still a living memory in the minds of his people. Like all the Phoenix Lords, Baharroth has been reborn many times in the body of a new exarch. Innumerable battlefields have felt his anger and countless foes have fallen before his might. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.